Good evening, people. Well, slightly different video for you this time. First, your very first cooking with John video, if you want to call it that. So Laura's away. She's got work tonight. She's got the late shift most of this week, leaving me to fend for myself. And I am going to have one of my favourites for dinner. And thought, why not grab the camera, show people what's done, what I am going to end up with here. So, sweet and sour Swedish meatballs with pasta. So the ingredients for this: a bag of Swedish meatballs from Iceland. Cost, I believe, £6 at the moment. Tesco's or anybody's fusilli pasta. Doesn't have to be fusilli, it could be any potato pasta, whatever floats your boat. Sweet and sour sauce, Uncle Ben's. I prefer the reduced sugar version myself. And this is it for tonight. So all in all, cheap but tasty dinner. I say £6, 3p, a couple of pound at Tesco's. So first things first. So the pasta and the meatballs, how do you divide them up? Well, speaking personally for myself, as this is going to be a one-man or a one-person dinner, you can adjust the quantities to suit yourself. I go with 50 to 60 pieces of pasta and about 15 meatballs. Now the meatballs aren't big, so that's why there's one in the palm of my hand. They're not big, so yeah, about 15. Now that we've got those divided out, we get them on the boil, and we will see now that the time is 17:11, and we'll see how long this takes. So, oven on, both rings up to full, and that's them ready to go. So the only other tool we need here is this spoon. Don't know what the proper name for this is, but anyway, we just constantly keep this stirred while we're waiting for it, so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. We will just leave that for a minute or two, see how it goes. So one other item that is handy comes to getting everything out of the pans: strainer. Because you will burn yourself if you don't use one of these. So like I said, there is no hard and fast ruling for judging when this is ready. It's all down to personal preference. Just keep testing. It's cheap and it's quick and it's tasty. What more could you ask for? Right. So the Iceland meatball, 65 on average to a bag. You could easily get 4 servings per bag. So let's just try a piece of the pasta. I don't think it's ready yet. It's hot. Nearly. See the water level starting to lower in the pasta now, so yeah, it's boiling away. I won't be long. So we can say that is done. Meatballs are still steaming up here. Too close. Meatballs are still boiling away. Now we'll try the pasta. Yep. I will say that's about ready. So we turn the pasta ring down now to simmer. We'll do the same with meatballs, get into the 3. simmer for a minute or two. And next we will strain the pasta and strain the meatballs. And everything goes back into this pan again without the water. And we add the little beans and stir it all up. And it's starting to bubble nicely again. Move things around, make sure the heat goes through all the pasta and all the meatballs and all the sauce. Looking forward to this. Yes, one of my favourites, because it is cheapy to make and it is easy to make. And you don't have to use sweet and sour sauce, you can use other sauces, but tried a couple of those different ones in the past and they weren't just as tasty, not to me anyway, but try it for yourself, see what happens. Not a big fan of the vegetables, they tend to get left behind at the end of all this, but it's the sauce. I like the pineapple too. A few more seconds simmering in here and then we'll get it all into the bowl, ready for serving. And here we go. I need to ladle some of this. So that's it, people. Cheap and cheerful and tasty. Give it a go. And let me know what you think of it in the comments if you do have a go. Swedish meatballs in sweet and sour sauce and pasta. 28 minutes, start to finish. Told you it'd be quick. Told you it was cheap. So, be adventurous and get out there and try it. You won't regret it. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you feel like it, and subscribe to the channel. And that is it for this one. We will see you again soon.